In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set price in UniSwap. By the end, you'll understand how to choose a pair, pick a fee tier, define your price range, and deposit tokens for a smooth liquidity position setup. Start by opening app Uniswap or Goish in your browser. From the homepage, head to the Pool tab. This is where you create and manage liquidity positions. Choose New to start a fresh position. Next, select the pair you want to provide liquidity for. You'll be picking 2 tokens that will make up the pool. Use the token selector to find each asset and always double check that you're choosing the correct token, especially for similarly named assets. If you're ever unsure, verify by using the official token contract address. You'll now choose a fee tier. On Uniswap, fees compensate liquidity providers for their service, and different tiers suit different market behaviors. Lower fees, like Dirty 5%, often shown as 500, can make sense for very liquid, stable pairs. Higher tiers, such as 0.3% or 1%, can be better for more volatile tokens where trades are less frequent, but price movement is wider. Pick the tier that matches the volatility and typical trading activity of your pair, then continue. You'll see the current price displayed between your 2 selected tokens. Make sure the pricing direction matches your expectation. If you prefer to think in the opposite direction, look for the toggle that flips the quote so you're comfortable with how the price is expressed. Below that, explore the price strategies section. You can use presets or manually set a custom range by entering a minimum and maximum price. A narrower range concentrates your liquidity around where you expect trading to happen, which can increase fee earnings but requires more active management if price moves out of range. A wider range reduces the need for adjustments but spreads your liquidity more thinly. Now it's time to deposit tokens. Enter the amount for one side, and Uniswap will calculate the matching amount for the other side based on your selected range and the current price. If your range is very narrow or entirely on one side of the current price, you may see that most of your deposit is required in a single token. That's normal behavior for concentrated liquidity. If you want a simple set it and forget it approach, choose full range. This covers the entire price spectrum so your position stays active at all times. It's the most hands-off option, though typically less capital efficient than a tighter range. With your pair, fee tier, range, and deposit set, your price is now configured for your Uniswap position.